Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast.
Hi, I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom.
If someone asks you, "How are you?" and you only ever say, "I'm fine," even when you're not, this episode is for you.
Wait, be honest. How many times this week did you say fine when you actually felt something completely different?
For me, probably every single day.
You're not alone. So many learners get stuck on fine, good, or okay because they don't know the other words, and that's exactly what we're fixing today.
Today, you will learn how to talk about your real feelings in simple, clear English.
Happy, sad, tired, nervous, excited, and more, all with easy, natural sentences.
One time, a student told me, "I don't have the words for how I feel in English, so I just say nothing." That broke my heart a little.
I remember something similar. I could describe my job perfectly, in great detail, but ask me how I felt about it, and I would just shrug. Feelings are such a human thing to share. Everyone deserves the words for that, in any language, at any level.
Today, we give you those words and one simple formula to use them naturally in real conversations.
Okay, ready?
Here is the formula. Remember 3 small parts. Name it, explain why, and say what helps.
Name it, explain why, say what helps. That is the whole formula.
We will build this step by step with real, useful examples.
And by the end, I'm fine will finally have some real competition.
Let's start with step 1.
Step 1. Learn the basic feeling words.
The easiest way to start is with the phrase, "I feel," plus one simple word.
I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel tired.
You can also say, "I'm," plus the same word. I'm happy. I'm tired.
Both patterns work. I feel and I'm are almost the same in this situation.
You'll hear both all the time in real conversations, movies, and songs.
Pick whichever feels more comfortable for you and stick with it at first.
Let's learn some useful feeling words beyond just good and bad.
For positive feelings, happy, excited, proud, relaxed, and grateful.
For negative feelings, sad, tired, nervous, stressed, and frustrated.
Wait, this is important. These 10 words alone can describe almost any moment of your day.
How do you feel today, Tom?
Honestly, I feel a little tired, but also excited about this episode.
I feel happy and a bit nervous, actually, because this topic feels personal.
That's completely normal. Talking about feelings in a new language feels vulnerable at first.
It feels even more vulnerable than talking about facts like your job or your hobbies.
But that vulnerability is exactly what makes real connection possible between two people.
And the more you practice it in small, everyday moments, the less scary it becomes over time. Let's practice together. Say, "I feel," out loud right now with your real feeling today.
Good job! You just said something real, not just fine.
Before step 2, one small tip. You can add a little, or very, or really to show how strong the feeling is.
I feel a little tired. Small amount. I feel very excited. Strong amount. I feel really nervous. Also strong, but a bit more casual and natural sounding.
You can also say a bit for a very small amount. I feel a bit sad today.
These small words let you paint a much more accurate picture of exactly how you feel. Good tip. Now, let's continue.
Step 2. Explain why you feel that way.
A feeling word alone is good, but adding why makes the conversation much deeper and more real.
You can use the word because. I feel tired because I didn't sleep well.
Or, I feel excited because I'm starting a new project.
Or, I feel nervous because I have a big test tomorrow.
Why do you feel excited today, Tom?
I feel excited because I'm meeting a friend after this podcast.
I feel a little tired because I woke up very early this morning.
See how because turns one small word into a real personal sentence?
Here's the mistake you probably make, stopping right after the feeling word and never explaining why.
That small addition, because, makes such a big difference in real conversation.
It also invites the other person to ask more and truly connect with you.
Let's practice. Say a full sentence. I feel because.
Great! Now your feeling has a real human story behind it.
You can use because with almost any feeling word, positive or negative.
I feel proud because I finished my English lesson today. Try that one right now.
Step 3. Say what helps or what you need.
This step is optional, but it's very powerful in close conversations with friends or family.
You can say, I feel stressed and I think I just need some rest.
Or, I feel sad, and talking with you actually helps.
Or, I feel nervous, but I think I'll be okay after I practice a little more.
This step shows self-awareness, and it also tells the other person how they can support you, if they want to.
It removes the guessing game. People don't have to wonder what you need because you simply told them. Wait, this is important. You don't need to share this part with everyone, only people you trust.
With a coworker, I feel a bit tired today might be enough. With a close friend, you can add more.
Quick reminder before we continue. Our formula was name it, explain why, and say what helps.
Each part adds one more layer of honesty and connection to a simple feeling word.
The 3-part formula works in small talk, in deep conversations, and everywhere in between.
Good. Now let's add a few more useful phrases for extra detail.
Step 4. Talk about other people's feelings too.
A real conversation isn't only about you. You'll also want to ask and respond to others.
You can ask, how are you feeling today? A warmer version of how are you?
Or, you seem quiet today. Is everything okay? If you notice a change.
When someone shares a feeling, you can respond with empathy. I'm sorry to hear that. Or, that makes sense.
Or, for good news, that's wonderful. Or, I'm so happy for you.
These small responses show that you're really listening, not just waiting for your turn to talk.
You can also simply ask, do you want to talk about it? This gives space without pressure.
Sometimes people just need to be heard. You don't always need to fix the problem, just listen.
Let's practice a mini conversation. Lucy, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, I feel a bit stressed because I have a lot of work this week.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is there anything that would help?
Actually, just talking about it helps a little. Thank you for asking.
Of course, I'm always here to listen.
See how natural that felt? Real questions, real feelings, real support.
This kind of exchange builds trust much faster than talking only about the weather or the news ever could.
Step 5. Learn a few extra natural feeling phrases.
Beyond I feel, English has other natural ways to express emotions.
You can say, I'm in a good mood today, meaning generally happy or positive.
Or, I'm not feeling myself today, meaning something feels a little off or different than usual.
Or, I'm over the moon, a fun, expressive way to say extremely happy.
And, I'm feeling a bit under the weather, a gentle way to say you feel slightly sick.
Wait, this is important. These phrases sound very natural, but only use them once you feel comfortable with the basics first.
Start with I feel happy or I feel tired. Add these fun phrases later as bonus vocabulary.
Step 6. A few more nuanced feeling words for when happy or sad isn't quite right.
Sometimes a feeling isn't simply good or bad, it's something more specific.
Instead of just happy, you can say content, meaning calm and satisfied.
Instead of just sad, you can say disappointed, meaning something didn't go as you hoped.
Instead of just angry, you can say frustrated, meaning annoyed, usually about a problem, not a person.
And instead of just scared, you can say anxious, meaning worried about something in the future.
These words might feel new at first, but they let you express yourself so much more precisely.
Try picking just one new word today and use it the next time that feeling appears.
You'll be surprised how quickly it starts feeling like your own, completely natural vocabulary.
Step 8. Put it all together.
Now let's build one full example using our whole formula.
Listen to my example. Honestly, I feel a little stressed today because I have 3 deadlines this week. I think a short walk outside would really help me relax.
Now listen to my example. I feel really happy right now because I just finished a painting I'm proud of. Sharing it with my friends always makes me feel even better.
See? We used many small parts, but it still feels natural, like real, honest sharing.
Nothing feels forced. Nothing feels like a grammar exercise.
That is the perfect balance between simple and genuinely real.
Step 8. Practice time.
Now, it's your turn.
Now answer these questions in your head or write them down.
Question 1. How do you feel right now in this exact moment?
Question 2. Why do you feel that way? Use the word because.
Question 3. Is there something that would help you feel better or continue feeling good?
Question 4. How would you ask a friend about their feelings today?
Question 5. How would you respond with empathy if a friend told you they feel sad?
Question 6. Can you think of one nuanced feeling word, like content or anxious, that fits your day better than good or bad? Now, put your answers together using our formula.
Name it. Explain why. Say what helps. Say it out loud right now.
This is the best practice. Speaking your real feelings out loud builds real confidence in English and in yourself.
So don't be shy. Try it right now after this episode.
Let's review everything one more time very quickly.
Name your feeling. I feel happy. I feel tired.
Explain why with because. I feel tired because I worked late.
Say what helps when it feels right. I think some rest would help.
Ask about others' feelings too, with warmth and real interest.
And respond with empathy, not just silence or a quick okay.
And try one nuanced word too, like content or frustrated, instead of just good or bad.
6 small parts. 1 honest, natural conversation about real feelings.
But remember, you only really need 3. Name it, explain why, say what helps.
The rest adds slowly, over time, as you feel more confident and more comfortable.
Maybe today you only practice naming your feeling. That is perfectly okay.
Tomorrow, maybe you add because, too. Slowly, it all becomes natural and easy.
Learning a language is not a race, it's a walk, one small step at a time.
I really love that idea. Before we finish, let's talk about why this topic matters so much.
Sharing feelings builds real connection, real friendships, and real understanding between people.
When you can express yourself honestly in English, conversations feel less like a test and more like real life.
That shift changes everything, from small talk with strangers to deep, meaningful talks with the people you truly love most. And honestly, it feels wonderful to finally have the words for what's really going on inside you.
Emotional vocabulary is a gift you give yourself, not just other people.
The more precisely you can name a feeling, the easier it becomes to actually process it, understand it, and move forward with real clarity.
So very true.
So here is your challenge right now.
Pause this video.
And say one honest sentence out loud about how you truly feel today, right now, in this exact moment.
Name it. Explain why. Maybe say what helps.
Go on, try it now. We'll wait.
Did you do it? Great job. I'm proud of you, truly.
That's it. You just shared something real in English. That takes real courage, and it's a beautiful, lasting skill worth practicing forever in every language you speak. Well, I think our time is almost finished for today.
Time goes fast when the topic feels this meaningful.
It really does. This was such a special episode, and we hope it stays with you.
It was. Before we go, we have one more small favor to ask.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
It really helps other learners find our podcast and finally say more than just fine.
And please share it with a friend who always hides their real feelings behind one small word.
We want to help as many people as we can, one honest sentence at a time.
Because everyone truly deserves to feel heard, no matter what language they happen to be speaking. And now for your homework in our question of the day.
Go to the comment section below.
Comment below. How do you really and truly feel today, right now, in this exact moment?
Use our formula. Name it and explain why if you'd like.
For example, I feel calm today because I finally finished a big project.
You can write anything you want. Just make it honest and real.
We would love to read your comments and truly hear how you're doing.
It will mean so much seeing everyone's honest feelings shared together.
This community becomes a little warmer every time someone shares something real. Thank you all so much for listening today.
Thank you all. It was truly a pleasure, as always. We are cheering for every single one of you, wherever you are in the world.
Stay safe and keep practicing, one honest word at a time.
We will be back soon with another fun episode.
And remember, name it, explain why, say what helps.
That's your formula forever.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Lucy.
Bye, Tom.